Hello everyone. Point of sale product sequence module helps user to arrange a product by sequence in the point of sale. After installing this module, we can see an sequence field in the product form. So for that, let's get into an inventory. Under products, we can see the products. Okay. Now for example, let's get into one of the product. In this product form, under the sales tab, we can see an option to add an point of sale sequence right away here. Okay. Now for the next product, let's add the sequence as 2. Okay, now let's save this one. So from here you can see in validation error that this particular sequence will be added to the another product. Now let's change the sequence right away here for 6. Okay, now let's save this one. Let's get into endpoint of sale now. So from here let's get into endpoint of sale and where we can see a new session. Based on the given sequence number, the product will be displayed in the point of sale screen. So let's check. So for this product, I'm adding an sequence as 1. So you can see that. And the next one will be n desk organizer. You can see I have added n desk organizer as a sequence 2. And like the same way, you can see that office chair black will be in the sequence 3. So from here you can see that point of sale sequence will be N3 for office chair black. In this way we can make use of this module to add in product sequence in the point of sale. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and point of sale related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated point of sale features that we have. Thanks for watching.